What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keith TV, and I'm back with another one, you dig? And I'm gonna show y'all how to get them angles right. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to get them angles right. Let's get it.
Wanna be Gucci down, bad man wanna be Gucci down, little baby wanna be Gucci down. You pull out the shit, better shoot me.
Anyway, golly, what just happened to my body? But what was I talking about? Oh, so when I first started getting waves, angles is a real big deal when you first start to get waves. Figuring out your angles, figuring out how to brush to make your whole head come together in that beautiful picture that we call waves. Yes, sir. But look, so today I got a Torino Pro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know this brush. I only got about 3 brushes that I use for real. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see this brush a lot until I buy more brushes. Cause honestly, I don't need to buy more brushes. I have no reason to buy more brushes. I want brushes. You right? Yeah, it's true. But I really don't need no brushes. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't got no brushes like that. Just in case anybody was wondering. Had to take the glasses off on y'all. I feel like you never fully figure out your angles unless you Sir Cruz, and that's Sir Cruz. Come on now, you can't even. There's not even nothing to say about Sir Cruz at this point. I could be Sir Cruz too, bitch. Man. Unless you Sir Cruz, you have not figured out your angles 100% yet. You have a fork. Forks come from improper brushing. Even that angle that you brushing, that's been working, that's getting you those waves, might not be that angle no more. That's kind of how it works. It works like that sometimes. Everybody's hair is different. So I'm speaking on personal experience and what I see in other people's hair. So basically what I'm trying to say is everybody's hair is different, but our hair is still the same. We still got similar angles. You get what I'm saying? If you 360. Now 720, 540, those are a whole different story. The swirl, whole different story. You know what I'm saying? Everybody start brushing their hair from a different place also. I typically brush my hair starting from the back. So I'm going to start showing y'all angles now. We're going to start with the back. With the back, I brush my back a little differently than most people. But I'm going to just show y'all so y'all can get y'all angles right. So then y'all can figure out the angles that y'all want to use. You get what I'm saying? So the back, you just want to go straight down. Straight down. Straight down. Now, right here, you see I got waves. So we obviously got a brush in that part, right? So you're going to turn your brush. You see how he's going straight? This is straight down. Now, we're going to add a little tilt. This is going straight down. We're going to add a little tilt. Alright. Now, we're going to brush that angle straight down on that curve. Feel me? It's still straight down, but because it's on the tilt, because it's on the curve on my head and it's not straight on my head, I'm brushing straight down the angle, but it's still straight down on my head. You see that? Let me know if that makes sense. Comment any questions that y'all got. Straight down. This is how you brush the back. That's how you figuring out angles today. You know what I'm saying? We're going to switch to the other side. Make sure you want to treat all parts of your head the same. Right? Horizontal. Down. See that angle? Now, we're going to switch to the sides. But before we switch to the sides, I gotta say one thing, and I'm probably gonna say this in all of my videos. It's one of the most important things. It's more important than woofing. It's more important than combing. It's more important than product. It's more important than, honestly, everything. Because it has to do with the brush. The only thing that can get you waves. You see what I'm saying? So you know what I'm about to say. Keep a stiff wrist. I'm about to make that a hashtag. Stiff wrist only. Nah, that don't sound good. What should I use as a hashtag? on this channel, I'm gonna be real with y'all. The main focus is gonna be this brush and keeping a stiff wrist. Cause you wouldn't have forks if you kept a stiff wrist. I wouldn't have forks if I kept a stiff wrist. When I got that first low cut, when I seen them waves, should have kept a stiff wrist the whole time. Wanna make sure you keep a stiff wrist. I mean, I'm not saying you're not gonna have forks. You still gonna have forks. But this big fork I got in my head right here, I wouldn't have that fork if I kept a stiff wrist. And that's why I keep a stiff wrist. That's why it's moving. That's why it's pushed to my hairline. Go back to watch my other video. You will see when I say pushing your forks, keep a stiff wrist, it's gonna move. Keep a stiff wrist, it's gonna break. You know what I'm saying? So look, you wanna lock your wrist when you brushing. Like literally lock your wrist. The only motion you're going is like this. That's it. Only thing you're doing. There should be no turning, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? None of this flick. I see a lot of people do this flick. I used to do this flick. It is no flick. Flicks are for barbers. That's what barbers do. Barbers flick. There's no flicking in the wrist. There's no flicking motion. It's straight. You want your waist to be straight, keep your brush straight. Shout out to Russell Cruz, he told me that. Even though he didn't watch my videos. But look. This is how you brush your sides. When you brush your sides, you want to line up your brush with your chin. You know what I'm saying? See that? See how it lines up with my chin? On my jawline, matter of fact. That's how you want to brush. You want to go straight down, all the way through your chin. And you always want to brush straight through. So you can see on this side, I'm going to show you where I don't brush straight through at. My bad, y'all. I'm going to show y'all where I don't brush straight through at, where I didn't brush straight through at. See this? I don't have waves as good as right here. And that's because I'm not brushing straight through. You have to brush all the way to your hairline. Can't stop right here like me. Don't be like me. Alright? Listen to what I'm telling you and take it as advice. But don't be like me. You see this? You don't want this. You want these to go all the way straight through. And I'm working on it now because I'm fixing it. And as I'm fixing it, I'm helping y'all. You get what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all what I do so y'all can get help. So y'all don't have to make the mistakes that I did. You get what I'm saying? So look, we just switch sides and all that, but straight through. Vertical brushing helps your forks, and that's why I'm doing it. A lot of beginners, you can brush like this on your sides. It's the proper way to do it. The vertical technique is a little more advanced. So I'm gonna actually show y'all how to do it this way. It's actually more simple to get the concept of brushing straight through your hairline. So turn your brush horizontally. Come on, we about to get busy. See that? I promise y'all my wrist is 100% straight. There's no movement in my wrist at all. I'm holding my brush a little weird because I got big hands, but I don't want my hand to cover the camera. I want y'all to be able to see the waves. See what I'm saying? So look. Boom. Now, see here? I'm woofing right now, but you gotta make sure you brush all the way through, right? So, going with the jaw. If you're hitting your ears when you brush, that's when we bring this technique in. Because nobody wants to feel this annoying brush rubbing on their ear like that. It starts to hurt after a while. That's when we bring in this technique. All the way through to your hairline. The end of your brush should touch a little skin. Just to make sure you brush it all the way through your hairline. You see what I'm saying? Go back to the back. Straight down. top the easiest part. That's why I saved it for last. But for some reason, I still got people who don't know how to brush their top. I don't understand why. Brushing the top of your head is a very simple concept. Let me show you. Straight down. You see how I don't turn my wrist? Don't turn your wrist. Keep those waves straight. I'm trying to see everybody flawless. All my subscribers, everybody watching this video. If you're watching this video right now, you don't have a brush in your hand, or if you're not brushing, you're not doing it right. Pause this. Matter of fact, pause this video. Go get a brush and come back. Then we can get started. All right, so I'm gonna wait for y'all to go get a brush. You got a brush? All right, come on, let's get busy. Come on now. Straight down. Don't turn that wrist. Keep that wrist straight. You see this? Look like a formation, don't it? Keep it like this. That's all you want to do. Straight down. Now I'm going to start getting to the tricky parts. Alright? I showed y'all the most simple parts first. But as you can tell, I didn't get this angle here. I didn't get this angle here. Because those are the most complicated angles. From my opinion, those are the most complicated angles for me. The connections. Right? It's not a how to get connections video, but it all goes hand in hand with your angles. You know what I'm saying? So, look. Let me get it. See this? The sides, we brushing to the jawline. Now the angles, see that? It's going where? See that? Eye level. Alright? So as long as you do it like that, as long as you have somewhere you know that you're brushing, as long as you have a guideline, you're gonna be straight. No pun intended. See, bro, I told y'all I'm funny. I be doing this on accident. See that? You're gonna be straight. If you don't get it, you don't get it. But look, this is how I'm brushing my angles. This is the angles you should be brushing. Eye level when it comes to connections. See that? See how it goes straight through my eye? Like if I was kept going, I would brush my eye. Why would I do that? I'm stupid. Boom. 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 Let's switch to the other side. It's the same concept. It's the same thing, just a different side. It should be easy, right? It is easy. Come on now. Boom. 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 See that? Now again, your little rhythm. Play some music. And get your session in. I ain't gonna play no music, but I'm sure music in the background. Show you all the angles that I do. Remember the back? That angle? Then it's straight down. That's all it is. You see the crown? We focus on angles right now, though. Boom. Boom. All my beginner wavers. This is the angles you should be brushing. Right, Gray? She said right. Now, if the cat know how to get waves, then y'all should know how to get waves too. you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, make sure you smash that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and it was your boy Q Slay TV, and I'm out. Dig. Woo!